Hello guys, welcome to my little quarantine-approved rooftop bar that we got going on here. So today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick, really easy Filipino cocktails. So here we have some ice. So we're going to use two very common liquors here in the Philippines that are also very cheap. This Emperado Light, it's a brandy and it's a local one here in the Philippines, and it was only 150-ish pesos, which would be like $3 US. And then we have the Ginebra San Miguel, which is a really, really good gin. It's like my favorite actually, and I love the gin in Ireland and Scotland, but this one is my favorite. I actually haven't tried the premium gin yet, but I love the original San Miguel, so I'm excited to try this. This one is also really cheap. So the premium is only 190 pesos, or what is that, almost $4 US, and the regular San Miguel is even cheaper, but it's so good. I love it. I'm a huge fan of San Miguel gin. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is the Barako Princess. The main star of this one is going to be the Emperado Light. So we also have some pineapple juice, and we'll also be using any iced tea powder that you have. It's only about a third of this little iced tea powder, or maybe like 80% of a tablespoon, I guess. It's kind of hard to calculate because we found it from a much bigger recipe and went from there. So we have some ice ready, and then first what we're gonna do, open this. Oh, it's so strong. Okay, I got it. Ooh, this is a nice little cap. This is my first time having the Emperado Light, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, so we need 3 parts Emperado Light, so maybe 3 tablespoons. 3, maybe a little bit more on accident, but okay, so that's your Emperado Light, the star of the show for this cocktail. And then I'll do 4 parts, or 4 tablespoons of the pineapple juice. 4 parts pineapple juice. And then some iced tea, which is, this is like the 1/3 of the little sachet. Are you supposed to make this? Oh, I think you're supposed to do this in warm water first and then cool it. It's all clumping. Stir it up. So, since I only filled up about half the cup, we're gonna do it again. I'm doing this as I go, guys. I'm doing it as I go. So we're gonna do 3 more of the Emperado Light. 3, 4. I'm getting it everywhere. But, so the key is you want to try and get it all in the cup. That way you can drink it. Okay. So, I just put this with a little warm water to kind of melt the iced tea. Still a little bit bunchy. Okay. Ooh, it smells nice. It's a honey flavored iced tea, nesty. Okay. Okay, calls for a lot of ice, so we'll add some more ice. Still see some clumps of iced tea in there. Oops. But you know what? It's authentic. That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a success, even though I didn't know really what I was doing. It was really, really good. Super sweet. I thought it was going to be strong because a lot of Emperado Light. I'm proud of myself. The only thing is definitely put the little iced tea with, just a little bit of warm water so it's not clumpy, because it's great, but I am getting some clumps of iced tea because of that mistake. It kind of looks like coffee.
Yeah, like an iced coffee.
Yeah, like an iced coffee, but it's not.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
What do you think?
Not bad. It's got the tartness of.
It's really sweet.
Really
I like it. I love it. I actually really love it.
This is really good.
Barako Princess. Or a princess. And another princess. Okay, so there's the Barako Princess. It's really good. For the next one, we're gonna use one of my favorites, which is the San Miguel Gin. And I'll be trying the premium for the first time, and I'm excited to try that. How do I open this?
With your hands.
With my hands?
You know?
Yes. What? Okay, anyways. So this is really easy. You just get any sort of pomelo juice. This one is the locally blended juice drink, and it's pomelo, and it has a little pun on the top, which I love because it's all about puns. So this one is says Pomelong and lasting love. I love that. Okay, so what you're gonna do first, we'll do the gin. Oh, precious. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 part gin. I think I already messed up. Oh, the line's on the other. Dang it! So you want it to be 1 part gin. If it's more than, the 1 part, just have your boyfriend come and take a swig and then get it back down to the right size. Thank you. Okay, so we have our 1 part San Miguel gin. Ginebra San Miguel, or GSM as they call it. Okay, so we have our 1 part. And then we want to take our pomelo juice and do 3 parts. So let me just get down. I'm being very precise. Okay, let me get back up. Okay, so we have our 3 parts pomelo. It smells really nice. Ooh. Okay, good thing that I had my boyfriend drink that little bit of gin. Masarap naman. I like it. You want to try?
Sure.
Come on over. Pomelong and lasting love. What?
Feeling woozy from that.
I feel it in my tummy a little now.
That's good.
I think if it was colder, it'd be better.
If it was colder, maybe if we had some calamansi to add to it, would have been nice.
Or another fancy thing you can do, which I don't even know if we had seen pomelo in the grocery store, the fruit. But if you can, I've seen some recipes where they have actual pieces of pomelo, 2 little cucumber sticks sticking out, and that looks fancy, and I love cucumber and I love fresh fruit, so that would probably be a nice way to spice it up. But this is the simple, good old-fashioned way to do it. Okay, so again, here's our drinks. We have the Barako Princess, which is really nice and sweet. You really can't taste. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's a little dangerous because you really can't taste any alcohol. It is so good though. I love it. Actually, I think this is my favorite of the 2. Surprisingly, because I usually love gin is my go-to. This one is just the gin and the pomelo juice, and again, it's a little bit less sweet. It's really nice though. It's nice and refreshing. I think it would be even better with both of them. Probably would be even better with maybe a little piece of pineapple, a little bit of pomelo, cucumber. But these are the ways to make it if you don't happen to have fresh fruit on hand. So this is the Barako Princess, and this is the Gin-Pom. So good. Definitely try these. And comment below and let me know if you have any other suggestions for more Filipino drinks. And if you try these, let me know your opinion. I'm very excited to see what you guys think.
Also, comment below which one visually looks better.
think I know the answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos.